What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play All Life Long by Juice WRLD and Kid Cudi. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar. If you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the first fret. If you need a free capo, I have a link to one in the video description. And if you need the guitar chord diagrams, there's a link to a free ebook in the video description titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. Now this song has 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. The first chord is going to be a C major. Put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Then we're gonna go G major. Move your ring and your middle finger down 1 fret, or down 1 string, where your ring finger is on the 3rd fret of the E, and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the A, and your pinky finger is gonna go 3rd fret high E. Then we have E minor, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Then you have an F major. You're going to bar the entire 1st fret with your index finger, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And for you beginners, you can just do ring finger 3rd fret D, middle finger 2nd fret G, index finger 1st fret B. You can play the F chord that way too, but it is a full F bar chord. And once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords. It looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.